This video is how to install Catalina on an iMac. I have Catalina on this USB thumb drive. Rotate your iMac to the back and find the USB slots and plug this thing in. Alright, have a keyboard and mouse ready. You might have better luck with a wired keyboard, so I have this keyboard which is wireless, didn't work real well. Have this old Unicomp wired PC keyboard, and if you hold down the Alt key right here, that will boot you in the proper place. So I have a wireless mouse ready to go. As soon as you hit the power button, hold down the Alt key. So here goes the power button in the back, power button on, Alt key, hold it, hold the Alt key down, and watch the screen. If you're lucky, the firmware in the iMac ought to come up and say that you now have a choice on what to boot. Either, in my case, the old Yosemite installer or the new Catalina installer that we installed with the thumb drive. Okay, there it is. So there's our two installers. You want to choose the one on the right, which is going to be Catalina. I'm going to click this mouse a few times to get the mouse to move and hit Catalina. And that's about it. And from there, follow the prompts. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.